Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to noise reduction in Reaper. So the most common way to handle noise is using the built-in plugin, so it can learn the noise profile of your room and subtract it from your recording. Okay, so how we do that? Click the FX button on your track and add REAPER plugin. So click on FX and then again FX, add FX and type in here REA fee. And you have two options here. I will select this one, the first one, and add like that. Now here you can play with some settings. You can set points, flat, precise, smooth. Then we have FFT size, quality. Mode we have equalize, gate compressor, convol, and subtract. Metering we can also set that. We can also add some preset if we have them. We can set here output gain if we want, and also we can move these 2 points right here. And with that we will set this noise reduction. Now we can also add some another plugin basically for silent gaps. So if you want to silence the mic when you aren't speaking, so we can add something. So let's go add FX and we will add REA gate. So this is REA gate, just like that. Add, and here you can set the threshold slider until the green bar only jumps up when you speak. When you stop talking, the gate will close, cutting off the background noise entirely. So this is really helpful when you're doing some kind of work that you don't want the background noise. For example, for some podcast or something. And yeah, this is basically how you can noise reduction in the Reaper. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the